Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel VBA Expert. My name is Aakash. It's been 2 and 3 days since I have not uploaded any video, and today I thought let's brought out one more question for you which can help you in order to increase or enhance your skills of VBA, right? So today we will be learning how we can create the basic data entry form which can help to the user to save the details in the database. See, in the Excel we can save the we can in Excel basically we will be creating the form, but that form we will get connected. We will be getting that form connected with the MS Access database. It means whatever the entry we are putting in that form, those entries should be saved in the MS Access database. So in order to save our database, we have taken the MS Access database. Reason is basically in Excel only we can save the entries less than or equal to 10,48,576, not more than that, right? So in order to get this fix, we have considered the MS Access database which can store the 2 GB data. All right. So that is the best thing, I think. Okay, and that thing only MS Access database is basically the repository system, alright, wherein we can save our raw data, or apart from that we can perform lot of tasks or a lot of action there, right? But in this video we are just considering the MS Access database as a repository system, right, wherein we will be saving our data. All right, let's move and let's go into the question. What the question is: we need to create one data entry form in VBA which can help to user to save the details in the database, right? And below are the headers. You guys can see. Okay, I have given you the 7 headers. These are the 7 headers data I have in the MS Access. Let me show you the MS Access as well. I have my MS Access folder here. Let me open this. At the moment, I am opening it. Okay, file is getting open. I have sheet 4. Right, in sheet 4 you can see here, okay, 7 headers. I mean, okay, this is the raw data, right? Not a raw data, but yes, in this format we just need to save our details, right? And I have shown you the headers in MS Access. Whatever the entry we are putting in that form, those entries should get saved in this table. All right, I'm closing it for the time being. All right, let's, and after that below are the headers. Okay, we have in our database already. I have shown you. We need to create the form in VBA as per the header, right? Important note: in order to connect or in order to integrate my MS Access with the Excel, I have to enable the one more external library in the VBA, which is the Activist Microsoft Activist 6.0 library, right? Let me show you as well. Okay, I am pressing Alt F11. All right, so you guys can create the blank user form as I have created by pressing Alt IU, right? At the moment you will be pressing Alt IU, you will get this blank form, right? And now what I have to design it quickly. Let me design it. Data entry form, I'm giving the name, right? And after that 7 headers total I have, right? Let me create the header. Okay, it is the data entry data entry of bank, for example. Alright, and now what I will be doing, let me design it a bit more so that it will look better. Font I am choosing as a Comic Sans and getting blank, and font will be 14, and I have to align it in the center, right? I have text alignment there. I put center. Let me change the background of it, right? And I change it like this, and form background I have to also change. I am taking it as a line. All right. So the 7 headers we have. So I have to create it 7 times. First, my agent I have to create. Comics, and I am taking it is board and 14. Okay. paste, one and two, copy and paste, copy and paste. I'm just designing very roughly, but you can design it. You can make it more attractive. Let me rename it quickly. Like account type I have to give, right, and open by and branch I have to branch. Sorry, open by. It would be my branch, right, and next would be my customer and date. It would be my customer and it would be my date, and next my amount, right. Basic form I'm telling you how we can create in the form. I mean in Excel VBA, right, and how that form how that form can connect with the MS Excel database. Let me take one text box here in order to put my input. Let me change the font. Let me take it as a 12 and okay. I'm copying and pasting it like this. Copy and pasting like this. Copy and pasting like this. We just need to copy and design the form as per your requirement. Okay, I'm just giving you the example how we can do it, right? And one button I will be providing here like this, and the button name would be submit. Alright. And let me take and bold 16 font size I'm taking it, and font color I'm taking as a white. Alright. So what I have to do, I have designed my form, how my form is looking. Let's see. Okay, it looking better. Alright. So what I need to do it. Alright. So what I have to do here, I just need to write the code into inside the submit button. Let me wait. What I will be doing, I will be enabling our library here. Okay, I'm going on tools, reference. Alright, and reference I have to choose Microsoft ActiveX. I'm showing you. You guys can see Microsoft ActiveX Data Object 6.1 library. Right, you have to enable it. Alright, and now you have to start to write your questions. Dim connection CNN as a new ADODB connection I'm taking. Alright, RST as record set, new record set I'm taking it. Okay, and after that I need to okay, I need to basically write one more. I need to declare one more variable k as a integer. Okay, let's start to set the variables. Already I have set CNN as a new and RST as a new record set. Let's start to write the code. Cnn.Provide in very short code. We will be writing, and you will be able to see it, and you will be happy to see in the short code how we can perform this much task. I mean the massive task, because in order to connect, when it comes about to connect or integrate anything, so at that moment we think, yeah, the definitely code will be very massive, but no. Okay, it is not okay everywhere, but yes, it is somewhere. So in order to integrate my MS Access with this form, how we can write the code, and how short code we can write, right? So that's what we are doing. Cnn.Provide Microsoft. This is the string which we have to write very carefully. Microsoft ACE.OLADB 12.0. Alright. Now I have to open my database Cnn.Open. Whatever my database is here, I will be right clicking here. After right clicking, I will be going on properties, and I just need to take the path of this database. I'm copying. C I just miss. I need to write here C and this. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to add the record. So what I have to do here, I just need to open my table as well. I need to define my table Rst.Open, right? Source, in which table I want to save these details. So I want sheet 4, right? I think it was sheet 4. Now let me also see. I think it is sheet 4. Yes, sheet 4. It is sheet 4. Sheet 4. I have given CNN my active connection and open a dynamic and adLockOptimistic. Okay. Now here what I have to add the record Rst.AddNew, right? And now let's start to save the records. Rst.Field indexing of MXXA starts from 0, so I'm taking 0 as a 1. You can consider dot value, right? And me dot text box 1 dot value, because if you will be seeing my form here, so in my form, okay, it is my text box 1, text box 2, text box 3. So I have set all these headers in sequence. So I what I will be doing, I will be copy and pasting it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? So here I will be giving it 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, because if you will count from 0, so it is 7, right? So let's rename the text box as well: 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I need to update it in my database, right? And after that I will be closing CNN. I will close my database CNN message box. Data saved successfully. So you guys can see in very short code, okay, how we can do it. Let's assign one button here. Okay, I'm going in insert shape and taking it like this. Okay, click here. Okay, so let me add one module alt IM option explicit question number 1. For example, what I have to do, I have to show my user form dot show or forms, right? I will be right clicking here and going in assign macro, and question number 1 will be here. Let me choose this workbook. Alright, question number 1 is here. Alright, and okay. At the moment I will click on OK. You guys can see my form actually got populated here. Let me start to enter the data. Aakash. Alright, and account type is, for example, saving. Okay, open by Neeraj, for example. Branch, for example, Tamnagar. Alright, customer name or customer, I mean what type of customer that was. So type of customer, you guys can see intermediate, for example. Date, I'm giving the date 3/25/2023. Alright, and amount 1200, and I'm clicking on submit. I'm getting here debug. Let's see why I'm getting the debugging here. Okay, provider I have not written. I just written provide only. Provider I have written, and at the moment I will pressing F5. Still it is time mismatch. So text box intermediate text box 6, it is showing. Okay, 1 2 3 4. It is time. It means there is some problem with the data type. Let me check the data type in MS Access first, and what all the data type we have. Right click and design view. Right. So okay. So in which line we were getting text box 6, I believe, right? Let me again write. Just let me see. F4 and font color we have here. It is black. Okay, let me again click. Okay, Aakash, saving, open by question for example, Delhi for example, rich, date 12/12/2023, 1200. Okay, I am clicking on submit here. Definitely I will be getting error. Because my database is open, so let me first of all close it, and F5 I am pressing here time speech. So in text box 6 rich, just a wait, rich customer they have what a 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? So how I have SSA. Oh, I understood. All right. So there isn't some problem in user form. If you will, you guys can see there are two text boxes here. Okay, which was created. Text box 1 and text box 2. That is text box 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I have to delete it like this, and I have to break it like this, so that I just need to make it alright. So it was a problem. I just set it again. Okay. Now let's see what will be the output. I am Aakash. I am putting open by account type is saving, and open by Kishan and Mumbai for example. Customer rich 12/12/2023. Amount is 1200 and click on submit. Data saved successfully. Right. Well, still the record is showing. Still the record is being shown in the user form. At the moment we will be clicking on submit, or if we will get the message box, okay, the data saved successfully. So all these, the entry should get removed automatically itself, right? That's what also we have to do. But before that, let's check the data. Is actually data got saved or not? I'm clicking on data tab, okay, and clicking on sheet 4. You guys can see the entry actually got saved here, right? So same how we can do it, alt F11 press. Here what we have to do, we just need to reset everything. Text box 1 dot value blank. Copy and paste 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Let's rename it 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So I'm clicking on, again click here, agent for example Rahul, account type is city, open by Aakash, and branch UP, customer for example date 12/02/2023, amount 1300. Okay, I'm clicking on submit. Data saved successfully, and at the moment we have got the message box, all the records also got removed from the user form, and that entry actually got saved into our database. Let's check. Click opening my data and click on it. You guys can see agent name we have kept the Rahul, and all the entry actually got saved here. So how easy it is to creating the form and integrate with the MS Access, right? So I'll provide the code of it, and right, I will provide the code of my user form, how I have integrated my MS Access with my Excel VBA user form, and in how short code we have just written here and integrated our Excel with the MS Access. So it is very easy. Definitely it will be very helpful for you, okay, who all are on initial stage, who all are trying to learning the VBA, and right, and who all are on the the session of user form, right? What is the users form? So I will be also creating the more advanced, I will be also creating the advanced level of user form as well, right? So initially I thought, let's tell people tell people tell people how we can connect our how we can create the fundamental data entry form in Excel VBA, and that form, how can that form also can connect with our MS Access, right? So that is what which I wanted to share with you, right? And we have done, and I will be also providing this code, okay, in the description box, all right? And apart from that, if you guys want me to create the video on any topic, you can let me know, all right? So okay, thank you so much everyone for joining, for taking or for watching this video.